Right, Ffion, so thank you very much for coming this morning. So what did you get out of this morning? What did you enjoy?
Well, it was great to see so many school kids here who actually are thinking about doing medicine and hopefully will go on and be successful to do medicine. And thank you, Dylan, for giving this opportunity for them to think about general practice at a really early stage in their careers as well. And hopefully that will really increase our recruitment into general practice in the future. So it's been a great session so far this morning. The session that I've enjoyed the most was where we've sat down in small groups and talked about ethical dilemmas. And it's been a real eye-opener to see how mature and how enthusiastic and how much these school pupils have thought already about issues that are going on in society. So it was really good to spend time with them this morning.
Now, of course, this is a very exciting time to be a medical student as far as North Wales is concerned, particularly if you're studying in Cardiff University. So would you like to tell us a little bit about what Cardiff University have got planned in terms of the Carer project for places here in North Wales and for Aberystwyth as well?
So the Carer project has been launched in September this year. We're very fortunate to have 5 wonderful students spending the year with us in Bangor. They are spending 3 days a week out in general practice, so they're going to be learning their medicine from GPs out in the communities, and they're already becoming involved in the communities that they're working in and that they're living in Bangor. They're keen to learn a bit of Welsh, so we must encourage them with that, and they're a breath of fresh air into the general practices that they've attended.
And because I'm a strong believer in that, you know, with 90% of patient care taking place in the community, that's where I think the majority of the learning should be, shouldn't it, as a medic or training to be a doctor. So I think this is a very exciting time really for medical students, particularly if they want to be general practitioners. And I think there's probably not been such an exciting time to apply for medicine for quite a few years.